gone inside, we had some photos, we presented the Together Declaration and the declaration that Ryan Carter, who's a Together member, actually created. So 360,000 signatures have gone in. We also spoke to some people from the BBC, GB News and others, and both Steve and Dr. Ahmed Malik spoke to them, and I extensively explained about why we think that the public is really important in this debate. I happen to think we've been marginalised quite often and had things told to us in somewhat of a contemptuous, disdainful fashion. And now's the time to have an engaged, proper discussion and debate, and that the public keep letting their MPs know. Let's all make our voices heard. Let's make our voices heard to the unions, right? Some are saying there should be a delay to vaccine mandates. We're saying let's have an end to it. If those unions don't do that, you should perhaps look for a union that does. And I know NHS England are doing things like that. And if you take your subs, you vote with your feet, that will get their ears and attention very quickly. I'm surprised not to have heard from Unison and Unite. And also let NHS CEOs know. There's 238 NHS trusts in England. Let's let them know what we think about this, as well as the public, because these things matter, and universities and councils. And the more people hear from us, the better it is. And it also offsets the idea that it's all just inevitable. It's any kind of just this plan that's being implemented. Let's make us the curators of what happens next. Let's have our voices heard, and let's all do it together. Together Declaration. Let's keep on. Let's really hope that they listen to this. The 26th is the end to all these things. I want to thank Steve Baker and everyone here. Thank you, Steve. He's been a warrior. Please sign the togetherdeclaration.org. Keep having your voices heard. Support on socials and join this. We're going to keep fighting on the mandates. We're very lucky to have Dr. Steve James here as well.